Hola estudiantes y bienvenidos a la clase de español. This lesson is for the week of October 14th. Okay, estudiantes, we are going to be practicing the days of the week, los días de la semana. We're going to do that by watching a really fun video, Siete Días. Let's watch it together. You can sing along because the words are in the video, and you can also snap your fingers.
Siete días, siete días, siete días, siete días en la semana. Domingo y lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves y viernes y el sábado. Siete días, siete días, siete días en la semana. Domingo y lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves y viernes y el sábado. Siete días, siete días, siete días, siete días en la semana.
Okay, muy bien. I hope you enjoy that as much as I did. Okay, so ahora vamos a llenar estas oraciones. We're going to fill in these sentences, okay? So, antes de hacer eso, hay que practicar pronunciar los días. So, we'll practice our pronunciation. Okay, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Muy bien. Okay, ahora ustedes me van a ayudar. You are going to help me, okay? Hoy es, ¿qué día es hoy? Hoy es miércoles, muy bien. Hoy es miércoles. Today is Wednesday. Mañana es, mañana es, muy bien. Gracias por tu ayuda. Thank you for your help. Jueves. Ayer fue. Muy bien, gracias. Ayer fue martes. Ayer fue martes. Yesterday was Tuesday, right? Okay, muy bien. Quiero que, o más bien vamos a seguir practicando estos días, okay? We're going to keep practicing these days. Y vas a poder decirlos muy pronto, okay? You're going to be able to say them very soon. Okay, so ahora para nuestro horario, for our schedule, okay. The first thing that we're going to do is that we will watch the last tutorial and learn how to apply papel maché on a piñata, okay? Some of you have already finished making your piñatas, and some of you are still working on them, okay? So we'll finish watching that video. Then we will look at our tarea on Seesaw and talk about the rifa. So our last assignment for the piñata, we'll look at that together, and then we'll talk about a special raffle. Last, okay, we will check in about las vacaciones and upcoming events and workshops because we have a lot of things coming up in specials. Okay, so now for our tutorial, okay, un video sobre cómo aplicar el papel maché. We're going to watch it together, and then when this class is over, maybe you can start decorating your piñata, okay? You're going to have a week to finish this before the assignment is due. So let's watch it together. draw the lines, okay? So a mí me ayudó a dibujar las líneas, o nomás lo puedes cortar así, or you can just cut it on your own. So saqué el globo, esta es la luna. That part where you use a knife.
Ask an adult for help, okay? Y puedes usar cualquier color que tú quieras. You can use whatever color you want. Puedes aplicar los conos o no usar conos. So you can use the cones or not use the cones, okay? Hay estudiantes que están haciendo piñatas que son una carita así como un emoji, entonces no aplicaron los conos. So I do have some students that are making some like emoji piñatas, so they don't need a cone. Puedes hacerlo como tú quieras. So you can do it however you want. Yo hice la piñata tradicional, por eso le puse los conos. So I made the traditional piñata, and that's why I added the cones. Y estudiantes, este video es muy rápido. Yo me dilaté como 2 horas para decorar la piñata. Tómate tu tiempo, haz un poquito a la vez, así para que realmente tomes tu tiempo y hagas la piñata bien hecha, okay? So this video, super quick. It actually took me 2 hours to decorate the whole thing. My tip for you is just to take your time, do a little bit at a time, take breaks, because you want to do a good job, okay? And that part right now that you're watching, that's just something extra that you can do, okay? So esta parte es algo que tú puedes hacer. You don't have to do the little curly swirls with the ribbon. No tienes que hacer los chonguitos con el listón. Yo lo hice porque tenía el listón. So everybody has their own way of making piñatas. You don't have to add that, okay? Usa tu creatividad y hazlo como esté en tu mente, okay? So use your creativity and make your piñata how it's in your mind. Y la última parte es ponerle el confeti, los dulces, la fruta, los cacahuates, lo que tú quieras, ¿ok? So yo le puse confeti. You can decide what to put inside. Remember what we learned in class? Recuerda lo que aprendimos en la clase. You can add dulces, candies, confeti. You can add fruta, fruit, whatever, even little toys, ¿ok? Regalitos, lo que tú quieras, ¿ok? Muy bien. So, cualquier pregunta que tengan sobre la elaboración de la piñata, me pueden mandar un mensaje. Whatever question you have about making the piñata, send me a message, okay? Vamos a seguir. Let's keep going. So, déjame ver el horario. So, vamos a ver la tarea. Perfecto. So, for homework this week, por la tarea de esta semana, okay, yo escribí. I wrote, hola estudiantes, I hope you had a chance to create a piñata because they're so much fun. Today is the last day of piñata making, okay? So you have a week to finish this, no problem, okay? So primero, first, you're gonna watch the link and learn how to decorate the piñata. This is the last step. Watch the others on Seesaw to learn about the first and second steps before you get to this one. We just watched it. You can watch it again if you click on this link. 2, you're gonna click on the add response button. 3, when you are finished making one, take a photo using the camera. 4, if you choose not to make a piñata, draw one on a piece of paper and take a photo using the camera. And 5, when you are happy with your work, you're gonna click on the green check button. And I also wrote, everyone who participates will be entered in a raffle to win a cool prize. Good luck. We'll talk about that in just a minute. Okay, so vas a ir aquí a response. Y vas a tomar la foto. You're going to take a picture here. You're going to click the photo, okay? Y tomar la foto de la piñata. You take the picture of your piñata. Some of you have already done that. You've already sent me that on a different assignment. The one before, I wrote your name down, okay? So I remember that you did the piñata, okay? So, next week, okay, la semana que viene vamos a tener la rifa durante la clase. We will have the raffle during class. Todos los estudiantes que hagan la piñata o que dibujen la piñata, so all the students who made a piñata, and I'll also have a separate, actually, raffle, or maybe the same raffle, okay, because some students are going to draw the piñata, okay? Make sure you add a lot of details, okay? You can't just draw like a little simple piñata, add lots of details, okay? Muchos detalles. Y vamos a hacer una rifa. We're going to do a raffle. Voy a poner los nombres en un programa en la computadora y luego vamos a darle a una rueda y la rueda va a parar en un nombre y ese nombre va a ganarse un premio, okay? So I'm putting everyone's names into this raffle. It's like a little wheel online. You enter it on this computer program, then you spin this virtual wheel, it stops on a name, and that name will win a little prize, okay? Todavía no voy a decir cuál es el premio porque va a ser sorpresa. So the prize will be a surprise, okay? So let's keep going. Vamos a seguir ahora. Vamos a hablar sobre las vacaciones de otoño, okay? So for this next part, okay, quiero saber, ¿cómo fueron tus vacaciones? How were your vacation? Okay, you just had a couple days off. Me sentí durante las vacaciones porque okay? So if you were in class live, I would have asked you to put this in the chat box, okay? Me sentí feliz durante las vacaciones porque pasé más tiempo con mi familia. Me sentí calmada durante las vacaciones porque pude relajarme y dormir más, okay? So, you can send me a message and let me know how you feel. I'm going to launch a poll. So, the poll, me sentí feliz, aburrida, cansada, calmada, okay? So, I would have, in class, launched a little poll. So, all my estudiantes can vote on how they feel. Okay, so that's another way of you telling me how it went, okay? Perfecto, perfect. Let's keep going. Okay, estudiantes, we have so many things planned out for you for this month and the following month and the last month. So we have 3 months before the year ends. 3 meses antes de que se acaba el año, okay? So Mr. Steve is planning something very special for Halloween, okay? And we're all gonna pitch in. Okay, so on Saturday, October 31st, that's the day of Halloween. If you celebrate Halloween and if you're gonna wear your costume, you can drive through EPAX, okay, from 3 to 5 p.m. And the teachers are gonna be there and we're gonna give you little treats, okay? I'm going to buy some of my favorite candy. I'm going to go to the Mexican grocery store and I'm going to buy some spicy candy because that's my favorite. So if you want to try some dulce de tamarindo from Maestra Garcia, I'll have those ready for you, okay? So that's one thing that's going to happen. We're also, Miss Summerlin and myself, we're organizing a Dia de Muertos art class, okay? So I know a really, really cool art teacher, okay? She happens to be my cousin, and she makes the coolest art projects. And I'm going to ask her to come and teach us how to make some alebrijes, okay? So that's more to come. So I'm just giving you a sneak peek, okay? I'll tell you all the information on how to sign up for that very soon. We are also having a Coco moving night, okay? So we're gonna send out some information so you know when to sign in with your family. You're gonna have your popcorn, you're gonna have your treats, and we're gonna watch Coco together because it's so much fun, okay? Then next month in November, I'm going to have some cooking classes, okay? So if you like to cook, I hope you sign up. Okay, I'm going to be cooking with a group of students, okay? So it's not going to be everybody. It's going to be a group, okay? I'm going to start off with a group because I want to make sure that I have all the ingredients and all the tools for all my estudiantes to sign up for this, okay? Miss Truin, our garden teacher, is gonna have some yoga classes for you, and more information to come or is also coming up. And same thing with Miss Summerlin. If you're into graffiti, if you're into watercolors, or if you just want to learn how to do those things, you can sign up for those as well. And Mr. Steve is having this speed training day, okay? That's going to be super epic. I hope I can sign up for that because Maestra Garcia needs to exercise, okay? So I'm just letting you know of these things that are coming up. You are not signing up for them just now. I just want you to start thinking about what you want to do. And then we're going to send a message to the adults in your family so they can sign you up, okay? And you'll get the information on when they're going to happen. You'll get the information on the materials or ingredients that you're going to need. Okie dokie. I also want to tell you in the winter, we're going to have a winter holiday art class, okay? So we're not sure what kinds of cool things we're going to make, but that's coming up. And then just a reminder, every Friday we have game time. So you sign in to my Zoom ID number, my Zoom class, and 4th, 5th, and 6th has actually 5th and 4th has game time at 9:40. I forget what time 4th graders come in, but check the specials website. It's on Clever. And that has the information because we've been giving out so many gift cards. We've been talking about different things. We've been doing scavenger hunts. So don't forget about that on Friday because we want to see you, okay? So go and check the specials website right now, okay, estudiantes? And that is all for today, okay? That is all I have for you. I hope you have a beautiful day. I hope I get to see your amazing work on Seesaw, okay? Take care and see you next week. Adios, los quiero mucho.